Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 8 to 15 seed papers that span classics and recent reviews. This gives the algorithm breadth. Next, open connected papers and create a new graph from one DOI or a clear paper title. Once done, set graph depth to 1 or 2 to avoid noise and include both predecessors and successors so you capture citation context. Make sure to label the graph and save a snapshot. Doing that early prevents lost progress and keeps your literature review structured. You now inspect cluster shapes and colors to find thematic groups. Clusters reveal subfields and methodological families. Click representative nodes, read abstracts and introductions, and tag papers by theme, method, or question. This converts visual patterns into working categories. Once done, adjust the similarity slider and apply filters for year, citations, or venue to refine relevance. Make sure to export a CSV of selected nodes and keep a living notes file. Linking tags back to your research questions accelerate. You finish by extracting a synthesis map. List major themes, methodological clusters, key findings, and gaps that suggest new questions. Then export the graph as CSV and PNG and compile an annotated bibliography with one-sentence takeaways per paper to feed your review draft. Once done, cross-check citations and fill any gaps with targeted searches. If the graph looks noisy or misses focus, reduce depth, tighten similarity, or rebuild from a more specific seed. That trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.